Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to embed videos in Substack posts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head to your Substack dashboard and click on Create New at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Text Post. This is where you'll add your video link later. Now, give your post a catchy title and, if you like, write subtitles to add a bit more context or interest for your readers. Next, it's time to embed your video. Simply paste your video link directly into the body of your post. Substack automatically detects supported links, such as YouTube or Vimeo, and embeds them instantly. Make sure the link is correct and from a supported platform for smooth playback. Once your video is embedded, click Continue to access your post settings. Here you can decide who can view your post, whether it's public or limited to paid subscribers. After that, manage your comment settings to allow or disable reader interactions. Don't forget to add relevant tags to help categorize your post and make it easier for readers to find. If you're not ready to publish yet, use the schedule feature to set a future posting time for better reach. Finally, click Send to everyone now to publish your post with the embedded video, and that's it. So that is how you can embed videos in Substack posts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.